Can a 100-watt Marshall plexi do good cleans? Oh yeah. Got a Streamline delay engaged. Fender USA Strat SSL 5 Seymour Duncan pickups. Amp is plugged through the Ironman to tame the beast, because right now both channels on the plexi are set to 4, which is where it starts to really break up nicely. But it would be absolutely bone-crushing loud if I didn't have the attenuator. So here's how it sounds.